Hello, let's dive in to see how you can pull, localize, store, manage, and automate the translation of your Intercom article with Lingpad. Log in to your Intercom account. Click on the Articles icon to access your Intercom support articles. Go to Settings tab and open the Supported Languages drop-down from the General heading. Do note, you should be the admin or user with admin access of the Intercom account to access these settings. Click on the Add Language button to open a list of languages you can add for content localization. Add as many languages as required to translate your Intercom articles based on your customer's preferred languages. Now go to the Styling option and open the Header drop-down. Within that section, you'll need to select the respective language and write a page title. You can also add a logo, link to the homepage, header links, and background color. Click the Save Changes button. After adding all the languages, you can set up a project by going to your Lingpad account. If you already have an account with Lingpad, proceed to log in or else sign up. Choose your organization and create a space if you don't already have one. Go inside the space and create a project by clicking on Integration. Add a project name. Choose Intercom Articles from the Help Center tab. Choose Source and Target Languages. Click the Connect button. Once you click on Connect, it will open an Intercom authorization page to allow Lingpad the access of your Intercom articles for translation. Click on the Authorize Access button to proceed with your localization project. Open your Intercom Articles translation project by clicking on View Project. Click the Pull Now button to start fetching all the collections, sections, and articles available on your Intercom platform. Now, select the relevant collections, sections, and articles you want to pull into Lingpad and click on Pull button. In a few seconds, the content will be imported to Cabinet. You can search content from clicking this search icon. You can also sync content directly from here. In the Cabinet tab, here you can see all the sync collections, sections, and articles. You can also see the articles in the Language tab. You can add more languages by using the Add Languages button from the Languages tab in Lingpad. Go to the Translate tab. Select the desired collections, sections, and articles, along with the languages for localization. Click on the Translate button at the top. This will open a pop-up where you can select the status of your translation from Translated or Approved. Do note, select the Translated status when you want to manually approve the AI translated content. Select the Approved status when you want approved AI translation ready to push. Click Save. For Translated status, go to the Languages tab and select the respective language for content approval. You can either invite external translators or proofreaders or review and approve the translated content yourself. Click on the plus icon at the top right corner. Select the Invite New Users option and enter users' email IDs, separated by commas. Translator and proofreader role, you can select languages within the project for which you can allow access to. Click on the Invite button. Open any article by clicking on it to review and make necessary modifications in the target text from the editor. Once satisfied, click on the check mark icon from the toolbar and select Change All to Approved. Do note, our system does not translate URLs present in your content unless there's a TM or glossary available for them. You are required to manually approve those for successful export. Once approved, the progress bar will turn green. Our system will only export articles with 100% approved status to Intercom. Also, approve the collection and section names after translation. Once the translation process completes, go to the Push tab, select the articles and languages you want to export, and click the Push button. Lingpad will start exporting your translated content to Intercom article. The manual push would export the articles in the draft, and you would have to publish them individually. You can skip all the manual translation process to automate the whole process. All this process you can done easily by going the Automation tab. You can enable Auto Pull access to automatically import all articles into Lingpad. When Auto Pull is enabled, your updated content will be automatically pulled every 24 hours at approximately midnight UTC. Do note that the auto-pull feature will only function for the data that is currently available within your cabinet. Go to the Translate tab. By enabling Auto-Translate, your articles will be translated automatically using your translation memory and AI translation. Do note, translation requests can only be processed once the articles have been pulled into Lingpad. AI translation will be omitted for segments containing only URLs. However, translation memory will be applied if a match is detected. Select a status based on your preferences. Select the languages in which you want to translate. Head over to Push tab now. Enable Auto Push access to automatically publish 100% of translated and approved articles in their respective languages to your knowledge base. Select a status and languages based on your preference. In Current Status, articles will be pushed based on their current status, whether they are marked as draft or published. When you set your article status to draft, it means that all articles will be saved as drafts. If you have any published articles, they will be reverted to draft status. On the other hand, when you set your article status to published, all articles will be published. If you have any articles currently in draft status, they will be switched to published status. Select Languages and click on Save button. Voila! Your automation has been set. See how easy that was? Now you can sit back, relax and experience Lingpad AI work just like humans. That's all for this video. If you need any assistance, reach out to hello@lingpad.com and we'll be happy to assist you.